so we've made some pretty good progress, but we got to start banging out this any level. So today what we're going to be working on is the arms for the front control arm / hydraulic arm mount. So we're going to mount that up. We basically got to start with drilling out a 9/16 hole. From there, we're going to basically clamp on that bracket, get it nice and tight with some clamps, mark the holes, drill a bunch of holes, and then we can mount that bracket. But this part is very crucial to get the ride height set. So definitely going to take our time, make sure it's good. Then once we get this one on, we're going to move on to the other side, which does have the gearbox. So I got to kind of figure out there is some differences, and we also have to drill, or actually plasma cut, a little square into the frame on the other side. So that's kind of what we're going to start doing. I'm going to grab that bracket, see what we got to get kind of figured out on which hole we got to drill on the top of the frame first, and then from there drill it out, mount it up, clamp it up, and go on and go. This is a clamp. This is a clamp. This is inflation.
This is tic-tac. This is tic-tac. This is inflation.
All right, guys, so as you saw in the last couple of clips, we got our holes drilled. We got some sanding, but basically what we got to do up here, prime it, paint it, install it. So now we're going to start doing the fabrication in the rear. To do that, we got to take the bed off first. We already got the hoses out, so those are already done. Easy peasy. Oh, forgot we had the def tank bullshit. Bum 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 bum. So we just took the bed off, and now we're going to start doing the modifications to the frame on the rear. And taking this bed off is going to give us way more space, and now it's going to be a lot easier for us to do the fabrication work. All right, guys, so we just finished up painting this frame. Everything turned out really, really nicely. We did, spent a lot of time on the prep work to make this look as seamless as possible. So now that we finished this, we're gonna start building the coilovers. So any level, what's pretty badass is they give us full instructions on how to set everything up. So I'm gonna get these coils in, get everything adjusted to the way that they want, and then that will basically make it to where these coilovers can just go in and be set to the proper ride height. right, guys, thank you for making it to the end of this video. We just finished up building the coilovers, and as you saw, we got the brackets somewhat installed. So make sure to smash that subscribe button. In the next video, we're going to be torquing those upper brackets in and starting to get the coilovers and hydraulic arms all installed.